Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa St. Vincent de Paul Parish at ang Shrine of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Ang San Vicente de Paul Parish, also known as the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal, is a prominent Roman Catholic church located in San Marcelino Street in Ermita, Manila. Mula 1883 pa tinayo ang simbahang ito, and it has been a survivor of the Second World War. Tama lang na bisitahin naman natin minsan ang simbahang ito, plus the fact that it is the shrine of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. This is the Archdiocesan Shrine. 1883 itinatag ang kapilya at ito ay naging parokya. This parish was established in 1909 by the Vincentian Fathers. The church is widely recognized for its close integration with the campus of Adamson University and its distinct spacious courtyard. Iba't ibang mga images din ang makikita ninyo sa simbahang ito. Tulad nito, ang Sacred Heart at ang image ng Agony in the Garden. Ito naman ang pamprosisyong imahen ng Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Napakagandang matunghayan ang kanilang retablo mayor. This was renovated recently to look more classic than the old one, with Our Lady of Miraculous Medal at the center. Ito naman ang kanilang Adoration Chapel. At natapos na naman po ang ating maglalakbay sa mga simbahan ngayong araw na ito. Thank you so much for joining me as I went through St. Vincent de Paul Parish and the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. If you have time, you can visit this parish. It's located along San Marcelino Street near Adamson University. Thank you and have a wonderful day.